Hi, my name is Divyang, and I am going to tell you how to test Facebook ads in 2026 after Andromeda update. Right? How to do this? I'm going to show you how you can perform this test and why it works, why it is Andromeda friendly, and it is driven by data. No intuitions, no nothing like that. Right? So all the things that I'm saying is coming from the experience, and all are data backed. How to test Facebook ads in 2026? When you say you want to test Facebook ads, what do you mean? Is that either you want to test new variation on new concept. So when we say new variation, it means iteration of our winner ads. Ads, you are just producing new ads from the things that are working for you. A new concept is like you are introducing a different type of messaging in your advertisement and you want to test that, right? So how to do that? CBO structure. We always going to use CBO structure, right? In 2026, if you are still using ABO, I am going to tell you why you need to switch it to the CBO. When you run CBO, CBO is a simple term, campaign budget optimization, where Facebook spends a certain amount of money decided by you into multiple ad sets without your interventions. Like you are not disturbing, you are not disturbing algorithm. You are not telling Facebook spend certain amount of money here, spend certain amount of money here, right? You are just telling that this is my budget. You need to distribute according to your algorithm, right? We want Facebook to be in this platform. If you want to take the full advantage of Andromeda, you need to turn on the CBO, right? And ad set one, ad set two, ad set three. Now, what you can do is you can test different types of ads. For example, if you want to test images, you can test all the images in ad set two, right? You created three to four images here, three to four, three to four images. You can put this in single ad set and let Facebook decide whether to spend money on this ad set or not. And ad set one here, three to four videos. They can be a new concept, right? And new concept or new new variation of your winner. New variation. So whenever I am saying variation, it means variation from your winner ads, and you are just keep on producing the new and new creatives on that basis and launching in the CBO structure. Second is concept. You want to introduce new concept that whether this messaging will work on these types of product you are testing over here. So, right. So this is going to be a CBO, and you don't want to be in control of budgeting because when you control the budgets, you are not letting the algorithm decide where to show and when to show the ads. For example, if this ad set is in ABO, you are going to test around $100 over here, $500 over here, $200 over here. You don't know whether what is going to work or not, right? If certain amount of budget is working at that particular ad set, this also say that this is working for you, right? This ad set is working for you. You cannot jump that ad set to $1,000, right? Because you don't know whether that ad is going to be stable at $1,000 or that messaging is so broad that people are getting resonating with that. So it is as simple as that. So you want to be in this type of environment where you are just keep on putting new concept, new variations, new images, new videos in this part so that Facebook is automatically deciding whether to spend money on it or not. It's like these ads are earning spend from Facebook, not spending money as you push the ABO, right? So here ad sets and ads are competing with all the other ads in the other ad sets. And if Facebook think that Facebook will spend money on it, and if Facebook think that this doesn't work, Facebook will not spend money on it, right? And how to do this? Let me show you how to do this. Hit the create button, right click the sales objective, sales campaign, 10,000 rupees, right? Nothing over here. This thing need to be turned on. You should always remember, if you want to be in Andromeda friendly environment, you this needs to be always on. Advantage plus sales campaign on. If any of these things are off, it will be off. Right? Website number conversion. We should always do the purchase objective. Never do the add to cart traffic awareness. That shit doesn't work. You don't need to spend money on this. Dynamic creatives, schedule your ads here. If you want to see, like if we click on that button, it doesn't turn off, right? So you can tell Facebook that where you want to show it to the people. So if it's a women product, select women and use a suggestion, because sometimes sometimes men also buy things for the women, so you don't want to be like completely off. So if the products are men centric, then click over here. And if it is a woman, here you are just giving a small inputs on the ad set level, that what kind of people you are trying to reach out, right? Ad sets in the age group, you can say select whatever your customer avatar age is, and just give it as a suggestion. Like for example, if it's 18 to 45, use a suggestion. You don't have to turn this off, right? Use as a suggestion always. See, if you turn off, now you are not in advantage plus sales environment, right? So you always need to tell the Facebook that these are the our suggestion. You don't want to like force Facebook to do that, right? Placements, if you turn off any of the placements, like if you are thinking that you should turn off the ads on the on the Facebook, you try to turn off, it will be off. Now here, add one, create one. Pull your environment. Here I am image. I put this video primary text one, headline one. If you want, you can give one or two variation to this text. All right. Always shop now. That's it. Now you created these types of ad. Now quickly duplicate with different types of images or videos over here. Right. Now, if you see, this will be a pack one. I have launched this on 12th June. Right. This way you can remember that when you launch these ads. Now, what's going to happen over the period of time after 7 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days? I generally prefer after 4 to 5 days so that it stabilizes. Create another, just duplicate this ad set, create pack two, and launch on after 7 days on the 17th June. Right. Here you have launched this ad set. Same things on the ad set level. Now you have launched different types of ads over here. Right. And this is going to be become bigger and bigger and bigger. For example, like C. Now, this campaign is not a short term thing that you just launch and you start getting the results. You need to build this pack three, pack four, pack five. Right. So now this one single campaign spending continuously the same amount of the budget, and you are trying to test new Facebook ads in this environment. And if Facebook think Facebook will spend money on it, Facebook will definitely spend money on it. Right. Clear this why it works. So after doing this all this stuff, all the ads in one single CBO campaign, this is going to look like this, right? Pack one, pack two, pack three. If something is not working, you can just turn it off. Pack five, pack eight, pack 23, 18. So these are the, I've spent around 18 lakh rupees in the 30 days and got this kind of results. So if you say that Facebook is not going to spend money on it, Facebook will definitely spend money on it. If you see around from the 18 lakh rupees, Facebook have spent around 3 lakh here, 3 lakh over here, 3 lakh over here, 2 lakh, 1.9. Facebook is going to automatically distribute your budget and you don't have to worry. If you are creating good ads, Facebook will definitely put money on this. Why it works? Proven ads. So when you launch ad set one with the proven ads, like all the ads that you have inside your ad account, you need to just put it over here, right? Ad set 2, you want to launch ad set 2 as images. Ad set 3, if you, for example, if you launch this, I launch this pack 1, right? Pack 2 will be here, over here only, right? So what you're going to do is you will create new iterations, right, of winner ads. This is going to be super important. If you are not creating variation of the winners, you are losing something. Like if you know something is working, you can just pump it up the creative volume with the variations, not so much, but little bit of variations and different types of messaging you want to test in the variation, definitely do that. But if you want to test ad set 4, ad set 5 new concept, you can do over here also. You don't have to create a new campaign just to test certain types of images or videos, right? This is very bad for your ad account if you always try to launch a new campaign whenever you want to test something in the Facebook ads. Always do in this way so that it's going to be look. This is how it's going to look, right? I hope this helps. If you have any doubt, you can reach out in the comment section.